гражданства и международных консульств встретились 21 декабря 2019 года в 18:30 сентября в благотворительной ночью на повестке дела бумага метрополитена Владимира. Таким составом они наблюдали
Agreed to be here tonight with us.
Let's go! Party is going on!
Good afternoon, Stockholm. I am so much excited.
Welcome to this magic island.
Introducing our revolutionary new blockchain that combines the power of data storage, telecommunication, real estate, and finance into one seamless platform. The ultimate Avalanche fork, developed to be faster, more secure, and more versatile than ever before. Our innovative technology allows users to easily create and manage smart contracts, participate in decentralized businesses, and take advantage of a truly decentralized ecosystem. With our blockchain, anyone can create and manage their own smart contracts, making it easy to build and deploy tailor-made solutions for businesses and individuals. Plus, users are rewarded for generating transactions, incentivizing engagement, and creating a thriving, interconnected network.
Switch from crypto to fiat to non-regulated and regulated.
All right, family, greetings, everyone. Glad that you could make it to this brand new Crypto Mornings, family. We do not want to take up too much of your time this morning, but we got something very, very interesting coming out of Hong Kong. And the reason it's interesting because what we just dealt with on the Future of Money show this past Saturday was about BlackRock and Fidelity talking about cryptocurrencies, our Bitcoin ETFs. So now we got breaking news coming out of Hong Kong with HSBC Bank, which is the biggest banking lender coming out of China and Hong Kong in that area. And now they're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. So all of this is lining up and shaping up. And what is it doing for the crypto space? Well, it's doing a lot because when you see these major players, these bankers, these major investment firms and lenders, when they're doing this and talking about crypto, they're letting us know that now is the time that we need to make up our mind that we need to get in it fully. So thank y'all for tuning in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forward Money Network. Please subscribe to our team channel, New Millennium Bankers. And we finna get into this information now. So let's go. All right. The cryptocurrency market cap is down 0.02% decrease over the last day. But the market is up to $1,190 billion in market cap. So it's well over 1 trillion. And Bitcoin is almost at $30,898.73. It probably would hit 30,000 today. Now it just jumped up, just moved up some dollars right quick, right in our face, right? And that's what these utility coins do. They go up and down. They fluctuate with the market. All right. So they're going to be going up and down, as you can see right now. Now I'm back to 30,910. We're just at 30,900. Oh, big jump. 30,943. So it might, before we get off of here, it might be at 31,000 before we get off of here. So Bitcoin is up in the last hour 0.81%. The last 24 hours is up 1.41%. In the last 7 days, it is up 15.51%. And look at it, just shot up to $30,969 right here as we talking. Then Ethereum, the second most used cryptocurrency or utility coin, is at $1,894. Over the last hour, Ethereum is up 0.75%. Over the last 24 hours, Ethereum is up 0.30%. Over the last, down. Ethereum is down over the last 24 hours, 0.31%. Over the last 7 days, Ethereum is up 9.97%. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin about to do 31,000 right here while we on here, right? It's going to be up $100 since we've been on the stream. We just got on it. There it is. $31,003.26. Just did it. Bam. $31,006.79. So it's steadily going up. That's Bitcoin. For all the Bitcoin holders, the ones who didn't panic, there you go. All right. Then Binance, BNB, is trading, still hasn't recovered from that news coming out of the SEC, or the SEC suing Binance. Still hasn't recovered yet, but it's still trading at $240. It's up 0.57% last hour. Over the last 24 hours, it's up 0.26%. Over the last 7 days, it is up 0.41%. Now let's take a look at the G999 coin. We are at 0.0035. That's 3.5 tenths of a penny. We are up 7.09% right now as we speak. So let's get into the article, family. But that was fun to watch that, right? But listen, family, we in GS Partners, we get paid in Bitcoin. We get paid in Bitcoin. I'm going to say that for the third time. We get paid in Bitcoin. And we've been doing this almost 3 years, the only platform to do it like that. So this article is also coming from CoinMarketCap. And this is what we wanted to get over to you today. HSBC Bank, Hong Kong, allows customers to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs on its investment platform. HSBC Hong Kong, the largest lender in Hong Kong, has become the first bank to allow its customers to access to Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange traded funds ETFs on its investment platform. Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange traded funds were listed on HSBC Hong Kong Easy Invest mobile app on Monday. HSBC Hong Kong, the largest lender in Hong Kong, has become the first bank to allow its customers access to Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange traded funds on its investment platform. While the bank customers have been able to trade these investment products since they were listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in December of 2022, these ETFs were listed on HSBC Hong Kong's Easy Invest mobile app on Monday, offering traders exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum futures based on derivative contracts that trade on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CMC. The offerings are CSOP Bitcoin Future ETF and CSOP Ethereum Futures ETF, managed by CSOP Asset Management, and Samsung Bitcoin Futures Active ETF, managed by Samsung Asset Management Hong Kong. According to CSOP Asset Management, ETFs offer an easy, transparent way for investors to capture the performance of digital assets. Now, this is coming, like I said, on the heel of BlackRock. And Fidelity talking about launching in the United States a Bitcoin ETF. So all of this stuff is because they see that their investors are probably asking for it, and now this is a bank offering this to their customers. All right, which you probably high-end customers. I wouldn't know. I would think though that you would probably have to be a high-end customers, because our banks that we bank with in the United States, they have these investment type of strategies and platforms, but they don't really just tell us about it. We have to really do some investigation about it. They really just want to loan us some money so they can hit us with that compound interest, hit us with that high interest rate. So this right here, this is just a quick breakdown and just showing what's going on, keeping us up to date. And this was just released 12 hours ago. So this is big, family. So the cryptocurrency market is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. As you just saw, Bitcoin just shot up back over 31,000, but we know Bitcoin has a high of almost $69,000 per one coin. And at one point in time, Bitcoin was about 1/10 of a penny. At one time, Bitcoin costed 5 cents, 10 cents, $1, right? Can we even fathom that right now? That at one time you could have got Bitcoin for 1 penny, $1, and now it takes $31 to get one. Now we get paid in this stuff, right? Just from building a network, because we have the #1 blockchain business platform on the planet, which is Gold Standard Partners. Make no mistake about it. Why I say that? Well, y'all ain't known like that, y'all. Listen. We probably not. We not. But nobody else has what we have. And we have what everybody else got. So with that being said, family, let us take a quick commercial and let's transition and let's go and take a look at this international blockchain business platform and show you how you can benefit from this news that we're bringing, and how you can benefit without knowing really anything about crypto, how you can leverage crypto and leverage our system so you can benefit from crypto, whether you know about it, whether you've been in, whether you just knew. Because in this day and time, I wouldn't just be holding crypto just to hold it. No, that wouldn't be. I ain't gonna say it wouldn't be. It would. I would rather hold that than dollars, but for the sake of that, let's just show you. All right. So. Well, let's watch this quick commercial, and then we'll be right back to let you see the international business platform. Check it out.
I am very proud on all of you who joined this. You can imagine 10-year anniversary. You can be proud to be a part of it, because I am very proud as a chairman of the board.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have from now a world without boundaries. The lands are opening everywhere.
So, all right, family. So what you have here, this is a pop-up once you go into GS Partners. Well, this is a pop-up for me. This is not a pop-up for everybody. The newest member of this conglomerate is Swiss Valorian Bank. And this acts as an interface to what we're doing, but this is us having a Swiss Valorian bank account. Now, so you see what it says, Swiss Valorian account opening. Congratulations, you have qualified to open an account with Swiss Valorian Bank Ltd. To open an account with Swiss Valorian Bank Ltd, follow this link and upload all necessary documents for account approval. My account is approved right now, but and the reason why, how this rolled out and how I'm approved, because it's probably only a few hundred people maybe that can open up a Swiss Valorian bank right now. I wouldn't think it'd be a few thousand. All right, I would say a few hundred, because you had to be in, you had to have our old crypto card called GS Lifestyle that was provided by Club Swan. That wasn't our platform. It was a MasterCard. I still use the card, by the way. But it was provided by Club Swan. We just white labeled their service. All right. So it never was our platform. And we severed ties with them, but the ones who still had a card, we can still use it under Club Swan. Now, this is all accounts. These cards are going to be ours. So you had to be one of the first to register for Swiss Valorian Bank. You had to have the card, the other card, the GS Lifestyle card, and you had to be somebody that ranked in the GS Partners revenue pool program, our referral program, for the last 3 consecutive months, which I have done every month since we have been in GS Partners. All right, so that's why I have access to it. All right, so let's go. That's just a pop-up. We call them commercials. Then there go another commercial. Then we got a training tomorrow with our corporate trainer, Mr. Bruce Hughes. So in GS Partners, we have a slew of cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. Some are on open markets and some are just for GS Partners. Like the G Euro, that's just for GS Partners, convertible euro. GSB, IPO, what else? Digital euro, legacy euro. All of this is just exclusive to GS Partners, and also Lydian Line. That's just exclusive to our metaverse. But we have currencies that are on the open market, like the G999 coin, like the like Tron. USD Tether, ERC20, Tron. We got USDT Tether, TRC20, that's on the Tron network, and the ERC20 is on the Ethereum network, a blockchain. We got convertible euro. Then you got BSUSD, that's on the Binance Smart Chain. We got USDC ERC20, that's on the Ethereum chain. That's the second biggest stable coin on the market. We just added that like last week. Then the third biggest stable coin on the market is BUSD. And the stable coin is what stabilized the market. Y'all seen how Bitcoin was fluctuating up and down, up and down. Well, USD Tether, USDC don't do that. BUSD don't do that, because one of those coins is supposed to be paired to the dollar. All right. Then we have Bitcoin, of course. We got tokenized real estate. This is kind of just exclusive to us, but you can trade this on our exchange for Bitcoin. No, you can trade it for USD Tether, and you can trade the tokenized real estate for G999. All right, then we got Ethereum, of course. You know, we got Bitcoin. We got Binance BNB. Lydian Status is on the open market. On the decentralized market, that's the official currency to Metaverse. Now, how we get paid over here, family, we got multiple ways you can get paid in GS Partners. How do you get paid in those currencies that I named, the ones that are listed instantly? Because if you see here, right, that's $11,400 worth of USD Tether. That's all from commissions in my certificates. All right. Then you see 1,000 51,054 USD Tethertron is all from commissions. You got 33 BUSD, that's all from commission. 2.21 USDC is all, that's commission. 8,600 worth of Bitcoin, 0.2815 of Bitcoin, all from commission. 300 USDT worth of Ethereum, all from commissions, and Binance BNB. So most of this is from commissions. So how do you get commissions though? Well, you get commissions by referring others, showing others how to do what? How to pretty much put their money to work utilizing our system. We have a payback rewards plan. So we have our team right now, we are over 3,000, and we have members all over the world that are putting their money to work. Some of them I know, some of them I don't know. All right. But by me starting this network, when they say they money, when they make money, when they bring in members, it benefits everybody. You feel what I'm saying? This is what networking is. This is what we've been it's just an easy way. It's just smart finance. It's literally just smart finance. Why do you say that, brother? Ain't this network marketing? Somebody on Facebook asked me that yesterday. Is this multi-level marketing? I said, absolutely. We have a blockchain decentralized bank, and we have a referral plan to the bank. Everything has a referral plan. Your internet provider has a referral plan. Your phone provider has a referral plan. Your car dealer, everybody has a referral plan. It just, are you actually getting paid and benefit from the referrals, right? Facebook is the only multi-level marketing that don't pay their customers, that don't pay their people. They don't pay their affiliates, right? I'm an affiliate to Facebook, but they don't pay me. So I spend most of my time posting about things that will pay me on Facebook. I don't really post too much personal stuff on Facebook. I post things that people can benefit from, whether it be spiritual, motivation, inspiration, but mainly I post things about my business, about my brands, about my business. Why not? Because that's what pays me, because Facebook is getting paid regardless. If I just go in there and just post anything, they're getting paid. All right. And they're not paying me. So why would I not put 90 to 95% of my business, since I am a business owner, on Facebook, on Instagram? That's just being smart. All right. Then in GS Partners, to be smart in GS Partners, all you have to do is sign up for free. You don't have to pay a $33 membership, but you get more value if you do pay a $33 membership and get you one of these certificates. If you're new, it actually will be 9. We do have 100 USDT certificate, but I'm not new, so I don't have that ability. I have to do at least 250 USDT. All right, but we have 1,000 USDT, 2,500 USDT, 5,000, and so forth and so forth. And these pay payback rewards. These pay payback rewards. So as I click one, let us take the space certificate, for example. The space certificate is 50,000 USDT for the certificate. Okay, so it's 50,000 USDT for the certificate. You have the certificate, all right? And now this 50,000 USDT is going to operate something like a savings account. Because off of that saving, off of that certificate that you put in, that's 50,000. If you come with a second 50,000, which would be 100,000 for you, and you load fintech, you got renewables, you got real estate, you got meta portfolio, you got supplements, you got gaming. Now, these are other companies in this conglomerate that have a payback reward plan. I have a fund set aside for marketing and advertising. So the funds that we're getting, we get whatever sector you go in, you're going to get paid weekly for 1 year. You're going to also get paid 1.5% unless you're dealing with Meta Portfolio, Game, and Simplement. That's a little different. But out of real estate, renewables, and fintech, you're going to get a weekly payback reward for 1 whole year, 52 weeks, and you're also going to get 1.5%. So let's just say if you had 100,000 USDT, you get the space certificate. You load fintech, and we say fintech first because fintech gives a 5% payback reward bonus for 52 weeks on 50,000. All right, so what is that? Well, that's 2,500. All right, so that's 2,500 USDT that you will get every 7 days for 52 weeks. Okay, then you're going to get on the second 50,000 that you put into fintech. Now that acts more like your portfolio, but we call it blockfolio. So that's your blockfolio. Now that 50,000 after 2 years, you get all of that back. And you also get an additional 1.5 every month on that 50,000. And to top you off, you're going to get 175,000 USDT as a bonus. When the 2 years is up. So let's take a look at how this will work. So let me pull up a calculator here, and let's go and look at some numbers. It's just math, right? We're just dealing with smart finance. I know this might be logic, and I know logic doesn't move people, but this might be logic. But let's just look at logic. Let's just deal with reason. It's just smart finance. All right. So if I'm getting 2,500 USDT a week for 52 weeks, so that means all I need to do is just time 2,500 times 52 to tell me what that end goal will look like. So that end goal will look like 130,000 USDT. Now that's just off the price, right? That's off the price. I want y'all to peep this now. Now you into the certificate to get this with what? With 100,000. So in the first year, you have profit crypto rewards now, not dollars. I want you to know that. I want to say that. Crypto rewards, USDT, you have profited 30,000. What? However, don't stop there, because remember, for 2 years, you're going to also get 1.5% on that second load 50,000 that you get back. You get that back. What do you mean you get that back? You get it back. Okay. What about the first 50,000? Well, the first 50,000 turns into 130,000 in 1 year. All right? Because of the 5% payback rewards on it, right? So that turns into 130,000. That's the price. Then the second 50,000 that activates the price, the 5% on the price, is 1.5% per month. So that's $750 a month for 24 months. So now let's do the calculation. 750 times 24. But that's another 18,000 USDT. All right. Now that's 18,000 plus 130,000, right? 130,000. Hold on. Oh, I messed that up. Let me do this over. Where the backspace at? Okay, there we go. So now let's do this here. So that's 148,000 in 2 years. You end the certificate with 100,000, right? But we have to keep adding. Why? Because the 50,000 you put in the fintech, you get that back. You get that back. So now where you at? Well, That's 198,000. You can literally double your 100,000. It has doubled now. However, we still got to add one more thing. They're going to top you off for doing it with 175,000 USDT. There you have it. 373,000. And this only in 2 years. You was in the certificate with 100,000. So literally you can say your 100,000 tripled. Almost quadrupled. And everything you get weekly, you don't have to take that 2,500 weekly. All right? You don't have to take that. You can compound that into the price. You can compound that. I mean, you can compound it into the load. So that 1.5% can be going up on what it's paying you because you're putting more into what is working. All right. So let's go back to GS Partners because it really don't stop there. Now that's with 100,000. But what would happen if you had 150,000? Well, we would say, well, hey, throw that other 50,000, that third 50,000 into renewables and get a 4% bonus payback reward on that 50,000. So now that price 50,000 is now generating 9%. It's now generating 9%. And you get that 50,000 back, and your bonus is 200,000 USDT at the end of the 18 months. At the end of, well, that'd be 30 months. So you would get everything fintech. Fintech would stop after 2 years. And then you still got another 6 months of getting paid from renewables. But now you at 9%. 9%. You only end with 100,000. So now you at 9% on 50,000. So what is that weekly for that first year? That's 4,500. 4,500 a week. So let's go back over here to the calculator. Now you at, that's if you had 150,000. All right. So you at 4,500 a week times 52. Remember, you in with 150,000. Whoa. That's 234,000. Remember, the 100,000 that you load in the 50 you load in the fintech, the 50 you load into renewables, you get that back. That's a deposit. It don't go nowhere. That's why we don't spend money over here. But you get that. Now, let's add that up. Whoa. That's in 30 months. That's in 30 months. And you got 375,000 coming as a bonus. Coming as a bonus, right? 330, whatever that, 343. You have that coming as a bonus on top of 343. You owe 718,000. And this is just in 30 months. And if we went on and on and on, it will go up and up and up because you can get up to 22% a week. Right? If you went ahead and you had more funds, fintech, renewables, metal portfolios, supplements, gaming, all right, you could get a whole lot out of that. All right. And that's just, and I'm just showing a big certificate. Space is the second biggest certificate that we have. And like I said, you can do it. Everything works the same. The numbers work the same. Whatever certificate you get. If you get a water certificate, it's 1,000 price and then 1,000 the load. Win, 2,500 price, 2,500 the load. So all of that is just how it works. Just show y'all the basis numbers. And they all have bonuses. And you get all of your deposit load funds back. Right? It doesn't stop. So family, we just wanted to just show y'all that this is just smart finance. This is just how we are generating funds and how we're putting our money to work. This is all passive income. You don't have to tell anybody about that. So when the person asks me, say, hey, is this a MLM? Is this multi-level marketing? I said absolutely. I could have went into more depth and said, yeah and nay. It kind of is and it kind of not. To get in, somebody has to refer you. To get in, somebody has to refer you. You have to have a sponsor. However, when you get in for you to make money, you don't have to tell anybody. You just got to put your money to work. So with that being said, fam, thank y'all for tuning in. We'll see y'all in the morning with a brand new Crypto Morning. And for all our guests, we do have a corporate training. He's going to go over this stuff here. He's going to go even further into depth on how this is playing out. Now, before we go, let me just do one thing so you can see how this is being generated. So y'all don't think, well, how is this all working? Well, let me show you. Let me show you that. So you won't just think this is just some fly by night. We just here, and then we just gonna be gone. Some type of Ponzi scheme where we using other people's money to do this. So we got a 10-year history of GSB, Gold Standard Bank. All right. Now we are putting funds into multiple markets. The AI market, the Forex market, real estate market, right? Renewables, crypto market, supplements, and gaming market. So we're putting funds in all of those markets, fintech market, all right? So, and look how big these markets are. So it's plenty of money to be pulled out of these markets. There's plenty of money to be pulled out of fintech. There's plenty of money to be pulled out of Forex. Forex is doing 5.3 trillion on average a day trading volume. 5.3 trillion a day. So it's plenty of money just to get out of Forex. Real estate, over 380 something billion. Plenty of funds to get out of that. Crypto is over 1 trillion in crypto. So it's plenty to get out of there, right? Renewables almost 1 trillion. Supplements over 380 billion. Gaming over 130 billion. So we just have been able to bring all of these companies together under one conglomerate, one umbrella, using one technology. So for us, the people that will bring people to these markets or these sectors on the blockchain, we get rewarded because they would rather pay us to pay back rewards than to go and pay the big advertisement market companies, social media platforms to market this. Because they have seen, and they have not seen, they have been shown, and it has been proven that word of mouth marketing is the best and the number one marketing tool that any company could use. And we can also take a look at some of the top executives, some of the main advisories and board members and team members that are connected to these different companies. So we all over here. They got faces, family. They're not hiding nowhere. So I just wanted to end with that, family. So with that being said, family, we want to thank y'all for tuning in. We will see y'all in the morning for a brand new Crypto Morning. All right, we will see y'all in the morning for a brand new Crypto Mornings. We out of here, family.
The origins of life and the universe. First stages in human evolution. First simple technologies that started making our life easier. Lydian World. We are glad to introduce our multi-ecosystem. Here, the rewards are generated thanks to the fees applied to each service or product behind an income resource such as staking pools, credit card swipe commissions, mining fields, assisted trading, non-fungible tokens marketplace, interactive airdrops, mainnet masternodes, trivia games, etc. Available on platforms and devices, more than 3 million users expected by the end of 2022 could reach a milestone of $5 billion in total resources. Lydian World, the place where you can explore, earn, and have fun